What we got here, bad bushings. Got a CV joint with some grease leakage. This one's probably the best one out the four. That's what basically happens with your rogy pogy. I'll show the rest tomorrow, but that's how it looks here. We do have a bad compressor, so I'll see if we could source that before reinstalling the cross member. That way it's out of the way, but we'll see. And our little handy dandy freezer here. We got our new bush. Good morning, new day here. Punching out these bushings for the Nissan Rogue. Many years use the same style. I want to say all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive, but do verify. But this one we've already started pounding out. You can see separation there. This one will be next, and then we'll move on to the back ones here. But yeah, this gives you very loose front end feel, and you'll be putting a lot of stress on suspension components when these go bad. Alright, we'll see in a bit. Alright folks, just like that, we've got our first subframe bushing or cross member bushing out. These are the fronts. I'm gonna attempt to move that second one. Basically, I'm using the old bushing here to get the sleeves out. The dimensions pretty much right there. So using what we have, and then we're gonna push them back in with a bigger socket, not to damage the head. Alright friends and family, we have a total of 4 bushings out of our Rogue subframe here. This is the underside. We were able to punch out these ones here, which is a different style, with our handy dandy socket. I want to say it's a 30. Yep, so 30, and these are 34 millimeter. So back ones, if you can see that there, they will basically go down, hit the lip of our collar here on the bushing, and ideally push it out in an evenly manner. Now the front ones, I didn't have a 34, so I was lucky. I was able to put it out with the old bushing, just knock it out, and then this one took a while just working it out, but we got it. I'm gonna just lube this up a little bit so the 2 new ones can slide in, and then we're also gonna flip it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, back to our handy dandy freezer here, just for part. Ooh, nice and cold. Nice and cold. You see the steam off of that? You see that? Bumpy squeeze. Alright. That's nice, exactly where we want it. It's a bit cold, that's why. Boom bam. But freezing, ideally, will actually compress, making it shrink basically. So that's the reason behind that. So I'm gonna get these going here, and then we'll check back. Alright folks, we've got all 4 bushings in. Added some silicone around the rubber portion, just so we have some kind of bond to keep everything together, just as a precaution. But yeah, took quite a bit of banging. If you don't have a, what you call it, a press would be nice, evenly putting these in. It took me some time, but we got them in, and we're gonna put the subframe back in, get this thing out of here.